Hey guys! Welcome to Python tutorial. In today's session, we'll discuss about overview of Python. What is Python? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with simple syntax and dynamic semantics. It is widely used for developing websites, softwares, data analysis and data visualization. Why Python? Python has simple syntax and works on various platforms like Mac, Linux etc. Python is free to use and is supported by an extremely large ecosystem of libraries and packages. It's often the first choice language for new developers. Python installation. Visit the official Python website and download the latest Python version. Once the setup is done, then open the command prompt to check if the Python is successfully installed or not. In the command prompt, type Python and hit enter, or you can check the version by using command Python version. Let us write a sample Python code using print function. Print hello world. Save the file with extension PyExample, welcome.py. Now, open command prompt and then, navigate to the file located directory. To generate output, type python filename.py or pyfilename.py and then, hit enter. Let me add one more print function to the same file. Print welcome to Python coding. Save the file and run the command again to see the outcome now. A Python statement is an instruction that the Python interpreter can execute. There are different types of statements in Python language as assignment statements, conditional statements etc. Python indentation is a way of telling a Python interpreter that the group of statements belongs to a particular block of code and refers the spaces at the beginning of a code line. Comments start with the hash symbol hash and continue to the end of the line. Three types of comments: single line, multi-line and docstrings. Comments are descriptions that help programmers better understand the intent and functionality of the program. They are completely ignored by the Python interpreter. We can write a single-line comment by adding a single hash character before any statement or line of code. Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert a hash for each line. Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to a variable. You can add a multi-line string, triple quotes, in your code, and place your comment inside it. Catch you all in next session. Until then, bye bye.